Hi, my name is Satya and you're watching AutoBox. Thank you for supporting our last videos. Today we will be reviewing the Toyota Yaris. This car is in silver metallic. This has a 1.5 liter petrol engine. Yaris doesn't come with diesel like the Glanza. Look at this Yaris, it's in silver metallic. Look at these headlights, they're very big, so you can see, so it lights up the whole path. It curves up to the side of the vehicle. On this side, it says Toyota. See? Now let's see the grille. It looks very sleek and simple. I like it very much. It looks so clean. By the way, this car has projector lights in the headlights, but it doesn't have fog lights. Now let's take a walk around the vehicle. This Yaris has our 15-inch tires with a wheel cap. It has an indicator right here to notify the other drivers. It has no indicators on the mirrors. It has no indicators on the mirrors because it's a base model. What do you expect in the base model, man? Look at these handles. They're carved. This has no button. It only has a keyhole. This is the rear of the car. This car Yaris has a shark fin antenna instead of the long antenna like the Glanza has. It also has the tail light right here. The real tail lights, the big ones, are right here, along with the indicators. They're very big and they come around to the side of the car, to right here. The boot lid of the car is very clean. It only says 1.5J because it has a 1.5 liter engine and it's the J model, the base model. It has a Toyota. This car has rear fog lights, but it doesn't have the forward fog lights. It has a Toyota badge right here, very big. It's almost bigger than my hand. It says Yaris right here because it's a Toyota Yaris. And this is the boot of the car. It's very big. It's 4.35 liters. I think I could sleep inside here. It looks like a big room. It has a light right here on the top so that when you're at nighttime, you can see what's in your trunk or boot. This is the key of the Yaris. It has a Toyota badge. It only has 3 buttons. One to lock the car, one to open the car, and one to open the trunk of the car. That's the key fob. This is the key of the car. This car is petrol. It doesn't have a diesel variant yet. Now let's see the rear seats. This is the rear door. It's very clean. It's dual tone. This particular Yaris is in black and beige. These are the door handles. You can lock and unlock the car with this. This car has power windows right here. It also has 1 liter bottle holders. It has speakers on every door. Now let's get inside the car. It's very comfortable back. Yaris has 3 seats in the back. You can also adjust the headrest depending on your comfort. It also has a handrest. See? It has 2 cup holders to hold your drinks. Yaris has reading lights for the back passengers. It also has these handles to hold on to if the driver is going too fast. Now let's see the front seats. Look at the dashboard. It's also dual tone. Now let's go to the front of the car to get a better look. The dashboard is also dual tone, as you can see. Now let's go to the front of the vehicle to get a better view. Now let's see inside the front door. The doors are very big. This Yaris has speakers on every door, but it doesn't have tweeters. It has bottle holders like the other doors. This car has power windows, so you can adjust all 4 windows from just the front door. You can lock and unlock the car. You can adjust the seats depending on your comfort right here. You can open the boot trunk and the fuel cap right there. This car has additional space to fit something inside. What can you fit inside there? Leave in the comments below. Now let's get inside the car, Yaris. This is a steering wheel. It's very simple. It only has one button, and that's for the horn. Look at this infotainment system. It looks so premium and so sleek. I want to keep touching it. It has 2 AC vents right here in the middle. Look at the infotainment system of this car. It looks so modern. Look at this AC button right here, and you can press emergency lights. It has 2 bottle holders right here to put your bottles. Yaris has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is the handbrake of the car. This is the handbrake of the Yaris. It has 12-volt power outlet. It also has this armrest right here that you can open. It has space inside. See? This dashboard is called the waterfall dashboard because it looks like water can fall down here. This is the glove box of the Yaris. You can keep important documents or things inside for the Yaris inside there. This is ventilated. It also has storage compartments right. It also has a storage compartment right there. Look at the front view. It's very big. You can see many things in front of you. This is a sun visor. These are the sun visors of the car. They both have vanity mirrors. One on there and one on here. You can fit papers inside here. You can also... Yaris has front reading lights. You can turn them on by pushing it one by one, or you can just do that and turn on all of them. This Yaris's ex-showroom price is 9,29,000 rupees. The on-road price for this car is 10.8 lakhs. Overall, the Yaris is a very spacious car. It has many storage compartments. Unlike you're thinking, Toyota's maintenance costs are very cheap. They're very reliable and they have such good quality. Thank you to Anna Malay Toyota in Madurai for letting us take. Thank you for watching AutoBox. I'm your Chinamacha Sachu. Bye.